Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. So the question is, given that A is 75 and B is 120 and C is 132. So they're saying that you have to find B and C, meaning we have to find 120 ratio 132, meaning C. So C's value is 132 and B's value is 120 and A's value is 75. So we are going to divide 120 with 2. So 2 60s are 120 divided by, we wrote 60 because we divided 120 with 2. So 2 60s are 120. And here we are going to write 62. Because we divided 132 with 2. So the answer is 62. So we are going to divide 60 with 2 again. So 2 30s are 60. Ratio, you'll write 31 here. So the answer is 30 ratio 31. Let's do another question. The question is, this one. So the question is 24 ratio 42. Ratio 42. So we are going to divide 24 with 2, that would be 12. Ratio 21. We are also going to divide 42 with 2, so the answer would be 21. We are going to divide 12 and 21 with 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. So the answer is 21. We divided 12 and 21 with 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. So the answer is 21. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, send this to someone who needs it, and see you next time. Jazakallah.